Hey guys, it's Bobby here, and I just want to welcome you guys to how to grow your YouTube channel in 2020, get more views, get more subscribers, and make more money with YouTube. Today I'm going to go over tip number 12, which means tip number 12 is cross-promote your videos. So what that means is, actually before that, let me recap yesterday's tip number 11, which was repurpose content, right? So you're getting more content with less work, right? So basically you're compiling maybe the best 10 videos, right? Or your 10 bloopers, right? Or your 30-minute video, but you have like maybe a 30-second clip that you can play on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or whatever it is, right? Or TikTok. How many of you are on TikTok? Let me know. Anyways, so back to tip number 12. You want to cross-promote your videos. And how do you do that? So you do things like, hey, yesterday I did a tip on tip number 11, how to repurpose content. And you can actually look that up there, right? So yeah, you can link the card, or you can be like, look at this here, boom, and display the thumbnail, right? And then, so another way to do it is on your end screens, you can put your playlist there. You can put another video here, like the best viewer video or the most recent upload, right? Another reason or way to do it is in the link in the description, right? So what I do is I put, like for this series, I display all the tips in the videos links to all the tips, right? So if you see in the description below, you'll see tip number 1, binge watching, and the link, so you can click it. It makes your viewers, makes it a lot easier for your viewers to watch more of your videos, and that's what you want, right? High watch time. So that's it, guys. Another thing I do actually is, when this playlist is done, I will go ahead and put the playlist there. So how to grow your YouTube channel in 2020 tips, right? So that playlist. And then eBay dropshipping for beginners list. Affiliate marketing for beginners playlist. And then put the link there. All right, guys. Does that make sense? Stay tuned for tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, where I'm going to talk about tip number 13, where I will go ahead and talk about background music and how that's going to help your videos. All right, guys? So if you do like this, give me a thumbs up and then subscribe. Click the notification bell and just tell me down below what kind of playlists are you making. All right, guys? Peace out.